We have with us Avinash Mayekar, MD and CEO of Suvin Advisors, to speak about the impact of GST on textiles. Avinash, the last couple of months, we've seen a lot of protests from traders and from people who are involved in the textile industry. What are their key concerns as far as GST is concerned?
In fact, GST is, as you know, that it is a more structured way of doing business. And somehow, being 100+ years old textile industry, we are not used to do structured business. So maybe there is an apprehension in adopting the structural ways of doing business. But all said and done, whatever government is doing, that is with the right cause and with the good intentions, and everybody has to fall in the steps of the GST rules. I would say that textile industry would do much better with GST regime, rather post GST regime, because there would be, everybody would be knowing that how is the value addition, where the money is going, how it will benefit to them. So anything and everything would be covered under this GST regime.
So there is a long chain as far as textiles are concerned. So where in the chain probably do you think are the maximum concerns?
The maximum concerns are with man-made industry, especially from the fiber to yarn, because the duty for the yarn, when they are procuring fiber, it is at 5%, whereas when they are selling yarn, it is at 18%. And I don't know why, but somehow there is a issue that government has said that there will not be any benefits which will be passed on for the accumulated taxes. Right. And of course, when you are paying 5% on fiber and 18% on the yarn, there would be accumulated taxes, which needs to be done something. I think this is a concern which needs to be done, needs to be addressed. But this is not the way that agitations or strike would help, but they should come out with the policy and framework and talk to the government officials.
Also, textile is one sector where there is a large unorganized portion as well. There are a lot of people who work in the textile sector. Is there a concern among them that probably the structured way of doing business will wipe out many of them from the business?
No, I don't think so. That is with anybody who is into the value addition, because they want to be there, and as you know that the raw material cost and the final finished product cost, there is a huge difference, and they are catering to the smaller portion of it. So they would be happy to be in the part of the value chain. Right. So I don't think that there would be any issue as far as any other sector is concerned.
Right, and also is investing in technology and also the frequent filing of returns, is that a big concern that probably are they the starting concerns that they have?
No, they would not be having those concerns. In fact, now India has to play at a much larger platform, as China, as you know, that is going down on textiles, and we can play the number 2, and right now we are at very distant number 2, which we can take share from China and which we can grow up maybe 50% more than the existing capacity. So everybody is bullish about how we should go about it, and I think everybody will be happy to be part of GST.
Overall basis, do you think that this will result in more compliance, bringing in fact, a much larger section of the people back into the tax net, because that's been one of the biggest concerns behind which the entire GST was designed?
Of course, everybody would be coming into the tax net, right, and that will help the country quite a lot.